Very good morning, students. Yesterday we started with very interesting topic, very interesting and very important topic, electromotive force. Yesterday we saw the introduction of electrochemistry. What is the meaning of electrochemistry? Also we saw the important terms, basic important terms used in electrochemistry. After that we saw very important the representation of cell, how to represent the cell. Today we will start with the mechanism behind the electrochemistry, or you can say electrochemical cell, how the electrochemical cell performs. So scientist Nernst did one experiment. What he did, first he took two beakers, or you can say two containers. In one container he poured zinc sulfate solution of certain concentration. For example, you can take 1 molar. In another beaker or another container he poured copper sulfate solution. Then he dipped zinc rod in zinc sulfate, zinc electrode in zinc sulfate solution, and he dipped copper electrode in copper sulfate solution, you can say copper rod. Then he connected these two half cells. Now the half cell is formed. This is one of the half cell is formed. This is one of the half cell is formed. Then he connected these two half cells by means of salt bridge, KCl salt bridge. You know the salt bridge, it is nothing but the U-shaped tube. What is the purpose of salt bridge, or what is the function of salt bridge? It connects two half cells, this half cell, this half cell. He connects these two half cells by means of salt bridge. One more function of salt bridge is that it avoids liquid-liquid junction potential. It avoids liquid-liquid junction potential. Then what is the meaning of liquid-liquid junction potential? That we will see in the next point. और topic में आगे आएगा वो. What is the meaning of liquid-liquid junction potential? We will see later in this topic. Then he connected these two electrodes externally. Then he connected these two electrodes externally to the voltmeter, or you can say galvanometer. Negative connected to negative, positive connected to the positive. This is nothing but the anode electrode. This is nothing but the cathode electrode. Anode is negatively charged. Why it is negatively charged? I'll tell you later. Why it is positively charged. So after connecting to these two electrodes to the externally to the galvanometer, he saw spontaneous reaction happens in the cell. This is the cell. Now he becomes the whole cell. So what he saw spontaneous reactions happens in the cell. Then what is the meaning of spontaneous reaction? You know, in thermodynamics you have studied it. Spontaneous reaction means, if you can take the example of waterfall, पानी ऊपर से नीचे आता है. This is the example of spontaneous reaction. Growing of seeds. This is the example of spontaneous reaction. Means the natural process. So here, which spontaneous reaction happens? That we will see. This zinc rod, this zinc metal, release the zinc ions, zinc 2 plus ions in the solution. Releases zinc ions. That is nothing but the zinc 2 plus ions in the solution. Then we can say that the oxidation reaction takes place. Which spontaneous reaction takes place here? Oxidation reaction, and that is nothing but zinc solid to zinc 2 plus and 2 electrons. 2 electrons released. So this rod releases 2 electrons and zinc ions in the solution. Electrons gets deposited here. Electron gets deposited here. That's why it is negatively charged. Anode is negatively charged because it collects negative electrons. Collection of negative electron takes place on this electrode. Then these electron transfers through this wire. Here again one spontaneous reaction happens. That reaction is nothing but reduction reaction. Copper 2 plus 2 electrons copper solid. And we know that what is reduction reaction, oxidation reaction? Release of electrons, loss of electrons. So what is the meaning of reduction reaction? Gain of electrons. So these electrons transfer through this wire, and the copper 2 plus ions, this electrode releases copper 2 plus ions in the solution, passes copper 2 plus ions in the solution. That copper 2 plus ions attract these electrons towards him. So this copper gains these electrons from zinc rod. So we can say electron transfer from anode to cathode. बहुत important है, very important. How electron transfers? From which electrode to which electrode? Electrons are transferred from anode to cathode. And what about current? How current transfers from cathode to anode? Very important. In any electrochemical cell, electrons transfer from anode to cathode, and current transfers from cathode to anode. Very important. Keep this thing in your mind. Write it down. Very important. Then, which spontaneous reaction happens here? Redox reaction. This spontaneous reaction happens here. Redox reaction. Reduction and oxidation. ये मैकेनिज्म यहाँ पे होता है. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ पे कलेक्ट होते हैं इस इलेक्ट्रोड पे, फिर यहाँ से ट्रांसफ़र होके यहाँ आते हैं, यहाँ पे फिर कॉपर 2 प्लस आयन अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. यहाँ पे रिडक्शन रिएक्शन, यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. ओवरऑल वी कैन से रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन, स्पॉन्टेनियस रिडक्शन रिएक्शन, sorry, simultaneous redox reaction takes place. Simultaneous means these oxidation start at the same time reduction reaction starts. Simultaneous redox reaction takes place in this cell. So this is about the mechanism, how the electrochemical cell functions or works. Now we will see what is the meaning of electrode potential. You must be heard about this word. What is the meaning of electrode potential? Electrode potential. You can also call it as single electrode potential. Single electrode potential. What is the meaning of it? Very simple definition. Any metal, you can write down simultaneously. Any metal have tendency to pass into the solution in the form of metal ions. Very simple definition. Any metal have tendency to pass into the solution in the form of metal ions is called as electrode potential. Or one more definition is there. Electrode potential is a potential difference. It is nothing but a potential difference between electrode and electrolyte. This is also the definition of single electrode potential. One more definition is there. Tendency of metal to lose or gain electrons is called as its electrode potential. Tendency of metal to lose or gain electrons is called as electrode potential. We can also call it. This is nothing but the definition of single electrode potential. तो इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल के दो टाइप्स होते हैं. वन इज द ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल, अनदर वन इज रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल. तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल? नाउ लुक एट दिस डायग्राम. zinc electrode dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Which reaction happens here? Oxidation reaction happens here, isn't it? Oxidation reaction. So what is the meaning of oxidation potential? The potential occurs at the electrode where oxidation reaction happens. What is the definition of oxidation potential? The potential occurs at the electrode where ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन हैपन्स. जहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन होता है वहाँ पे जो पोटेंशियल डेवलप होता है उसे ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल कहते हैं. सिमिलरली टू दिस रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल. नाउ रिडक्शन रिएक्शन हैपन्स टू दिस हाफ सेल. Now what is the definition of reduction potential? The potential occurs at the electrode where reduction reaction takes place or happens. जहाँ पे रिडक्शन रिएक्शन होता है वहाँ पे जो पोटेंशियल डेवलप होता है उसे रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल कहते हैं. In this topic, in the electromotive force topic, we are thoroughly going to consider reduction potential. In overall topic, we will focus mainly on reduction potential. Reduction potential ही consider करेंगे overall topic में. We are not dealing with oxidation potential. Keep this thing in your mind. Very very important. हम पूरे topic में रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ही कंसिडर करेंगे. ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल होगा तो भी हम उसको रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल बोलेंगे, एक कंसिडर करेंगे. सो दिस इज अबाउट द सिंगल इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. नाउ सिंगल इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल डिपेंड्स ऑन विच फैक्टर्स. देर आर सर्टेन फैक्टर्स ऑन विच सिंगल इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल डिपेंड्स. वन मोर थिंग, इट इज मेजर्ड इन होल्ट्स. व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ दिस इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल? Volt. It is measured in volt. Then on which factor electrode potential, single electrode potential depends? The first point is nature of electrode. Nature of electrode. Second is temperature of the solution. Temperature of the solution. And the last one is activities. Activities or concentration. You can also call it as concentration of ions present in solution. Present in solution. Are you getting what I am saying? Very very important. अभी हमने देखा कि सिंगल इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल क्या होता है. And this single electrode potential depends on these factors. First is nature of electrode. इसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है वो. हर एक इलेक्ट्रोड का नेचर अलग होता है. Then temperature of the solution. जो solution आप लेते हो इलेक्ट्रोडिक solution उसका टेम्परेचर क्या होता है. Then activities और concentration. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे हमने 1 मोलर कंसिडर किया, यहाँ पे 1 मोलर कंसिडर किया. तो when you change the concentration, electrode potential changes. So it is depend upon activities or concentration of ions present in the solution. So on these 3 points or these 3 factors, single electrode potential depends, and it is measured in volts. Then what is the formula? Now this is the cell. We call it as Daniell cell. A Daniell cell हो गया. And what is the potential? Electrode potential of Daniell cell. Overall cell potential is 1.1 volts. 1.1 volt. This is the potential of Daniell cell. Now what is the meaning of electromotive force? Since yesterday we are listening this word, we are all the time we are listening the word electromotive force. What does it mean? क्या मीनिंग है? कल से हम सुन रहे हैं. What is electromotive force? Short form of electromotive force is EMF. You can call it as EMF. So what is the definition of EMF? It is nothing but potential difference when there is no current drawn from system, or you can say cell. Very important definition, electromotive force. Yesterday we saw one formula, EMF of the cell. How to calculate the EMF of the cell? ER minus EL. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फार्मूला है, ओवरऑल टॉपिक में आने वाला है हर एक जगह पे, तो कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड. ई सेल इज इक्वल टू ER माइनस EL. राइट हैंड साइड इलेक्ट्रोड का पोटेंशियल, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस माने ई सेल हो गया, ई सेल पोटेंशियल हो गया टोटल. देन व्हाट इज द EMF? मीनिंग ऑफ EMF, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. वेट अ मिनट, it is nothing but potential difference when there is no current drawn from the system. When there is no current drawn from the system or the cell, that is called as EMF, electromotive force. And what about the cell potential? Cell potential, electromotive force is also measured in volt. उसको भी वोल्ट में मेजर करते हैं. Now what is cell potential? It is nothing but the potential difference between two electrodes, between two half cells. What is cell potential? Potential difference, मैं थोड़ा शॉर्ट में लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे, potential difference between two half cells or two electrodes, and the formula is E cell is equal to ER minus EL. राइट हैंड साइड का इलेक्ट्रोड का पोटेंशियल, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इलेक्ट्रोड का पोटेंशियल, दोनों का डिफरेंस मीन्स ई सेल, सेल पोटेंशियल. सो दिस इज अबाउट द मैकेनिज्म और द term meaning of the term EMF, the cell potential, the single electrode potential that we saw today. I think so this is enough for today. In next lecture we will saw the Nernst equation, very important. Thank you very much.